This newsreel is of the Miss America 1966 contest held on September 11, 1965 in Atlantic City. Comparing the contest in the 1960s to the contest today shows how different the world has become.
This is the night when one dream is realized and 49 others are shattered. The finals of the Miss America contest. Girls from each of the states parade before a capacity crowd at the Atlantic City Auditorium. This is where the last political conventions were held. Everyone is in agreement that the scenery has improved. Then the curtain opens on the bathing suit parade. The field has been narrowed, but there's still a lot to see. That's the beauty of it. The title is worth a $10,000 scholarship and an estimated $80,000 for personal appearances. And Miss Kansas here has her eyes on that figure. Then the 5 finalists. Keep your eye on the gal in the center. That's Miss Kansas, and she's proving tonight that they grow some great crops out there. A Mississippi Miss left proves to be the runner-up as Miss Kansas gets the nod, Miss America 1965. Tonight, strangely enough, the winner does not burst into tears. A crown for the Queen, who will be acclaimed as the nation's reigning beauty. And it is beauty that is more than skin deep. Deborah Bryant, for that's her name, will enter Kansas University this year as a junior, and she intends to go on and study medicine. Anybody who will have Dr. Bryant as the family physician will be giving up certain fruits. Who wants to take an apple a day to keep this doctor away? The next day, it's coffee with her mother, Mrs. Hurley Bryant. In the coming year, Deborah will be one of the most photographed girls in the world. We couldn't picture anything nicer.